Alright guys, bit of an update on the 300 today. Timing's back all together now, and it does run a heap better, but it is missing on one cylinder for some reason. Have a listen to this, should be a bit better. So it is running a heap better, but it's missing on cylinder 5 for some reason. So I'll have to start pulling some plugs now and pull a coil and see if it's got spark. If it's got spark, then I'll have to check the injectors and see if they're working or not. Other than that, yeah, it's running heaps better now. I ended up having to mark the timing belt and time it that way, because the timing marks on the actual cover and the cam belt don't match up, unfortunately, for some reason. Apparently it was a thing back then. So the genuine time belts have marks on them to mark the cam gears. So the aftermarket belt I had didn't have any marks on it, so I had to count out the teeth and mark it and put it back all together and time it like that. And yeah, straight away as soon as I started up, it was heaps better, and I could move the crank angle sensor back about halfway, so I was sort of sitting in the middle now, which is heaps better than it should be. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it now. I just need to figure out why the misfire's playing up, but yeah, other than that, sounds pretty happy. And then after that, I need to get the spoiler sorted on it, and I think that's nearly the last thing on it before I can start taking it for a drive. So the original spoiler that goes along here, it is pretty ratchet and pretty nasty. So they're like a foam rubber from factory, and they're sort of all just split and falling apart, so I can't really repair it, so I'm going to have to try and find an option to put back on there. And then once that's back on, then I can pretty much start getting it ready to go on the road and actually get it driven, which will be pretty exciting. It's a factory manual twin turbo. The wheels aren't the best, but they'll do for now to get it on the road. I'll get some nice ones to go on it. And then yeah, I just need to put the interior back together, and that's pretty much it to start driving it now. And then yeah, then the modifications start. I've ordered an alloy radiator for it and another thermo fan, and that will hopefully keep it nice and cool this summer, because it's got the factory one in it, which is, well, probably from 1989 still, so it'll definitely need to be changed. But yeah, other than that, I'll keep updating with the mods as I go, and we'll see how they come along.